Wow. What are you doing down there? Come up here. The view is far better. I'm standing in the master balcony of this exquisite property here in the city of Brea. We're in the Blackstone community, and I can see out to Newport Coast, Catalina Island, Angel Stadium, Disneyland. I can see the fireworks show from up here. The view's much better up here than it is down there. Get up here. I'll meet you downstairs, and you got to see it for yourself. Welcome home to Sutter Court. I'm so excited to share this property with you. I know you want to see that view, so we're going to start upstairs first. Come on. The upstairs comes equipped with 4 bedrooms, all en suites. Look at these massive hallways, 6-foot openings. You've got a nice big linen closet here to put all your goodies, and then check out this media room. You can have so much fun. It comes fully equipped with a bar area. This is practically a mini upstairs kitchen. You've got quartz counter, beautiful backsplash, lots of cabinetry. You've got a beverage center, microwave, sink. Picture this. Movie nights, game nights. If you want a billiards room, you can put in a poker table with the fellas. If you got a family, it's also a perfect setting for them. You've got 3 beautiful sized bedrooms upstairs, all with their own bathrooms, walk-in closets, and a huge laundry room, perfect to take care of everybody's needs. I want you to enjoy these bedrooms, and I will meet you in the master suite. This is how you enter into your master suite. From your balcony view area into the master, fit for a king. Look at the space in here. You've got 10-foot plus ceilings, beautiful open living area, nice custom cabinetry and finishings throughout your master. And then you have that gorgeous view outside. We're not going yet though. I want to take you to the master bath. You have every convenience available to you. The huge soaking tub with the view outside. You've got dual standalone showers. I mean, look at these spaces. This is why you live up here in the Blackstone community, for luxury. I can't tell you how many people enjoy living in this community, and can you blame them? Look at what you're getting. This is a huge master. You've got your own his and hers walk-in closets. You've got plenty of cabinetry, dual vanities, and then the best part, the pièce de résistance, the balcony view from your master. Look at the space out here. You can set it up however you want. Seating, you can put your workout gear out here, and then look at that view every morning, day, and night. Can you just imagine those night times coming home, relaxing? Certain nights you'll be able to enjoy the Disney fireworks show, the beautiful lights sparkling, the morning rise. You could see out to Catalina on those beautiful clear days. This is what home's all about here in the Blackstone community. Now I can't wait to show you downstairs. Let's go. How impressive was that upstairs? That balcony, the view, the media room, and that's just half of the house. Look at this entryway. You imagine coming in your home? This is what greets you, this amazing chandelier, this spiral staircase. For those of you with children, daughters, I'm a father of 2 daughters. Go with me here. You get this home. Your little girl's up there. Winter formal, prom, maybe her wedding, and you're looking up at her and you're falling in love because you created that space with this home. And you could do that here. Center stage, your Christmas tree, 10-foot. I mean, we're talking deck in the holidays. And that's just the entryway. You've got a wonderful office space here with your powder room, I've got a question for you. Do you like to entertain? Do you like to have nice family gatherings, friends, everybody over having a good time? You can do it with this space. Look at how grand and large you're living. It's really a great room, if you will. You've got beautiful hardwood flooring, custom built-in cabinetry, room for your 80-inch television. And then of course, you have your outside California room, which we'll get to. But look at the rest of this space. It opens up to your amazing chef's kitchen with all the bells and whistles. First off, your massive center island, beautiful millwork down here, lots of cabinetry space. Nothing was left unfinished. You have a wonderful seat area here, dishwasher, top of the line appliances. Thermador microwave, warming drawer, because you can't have a party for guests and have your food go cold. That's what the warming drawer comes in handy. State of the art, top to bottom, professional grade refrigerator, all built in and custom. You've got double convection Thermador ovens, and then of course, the big daddy of them all, the 48-inch stovetop griddle, 6-burner with the grill space. You can do it all with this kitchen space. And I love how open it is to the rest of your family area and outside. Then you're flanked by your dining room. This dining room is perfect for dinner parties. You can set up a round table here or rectangular, fit for 10 to 12, even 14 guests. What I love about this property is that it's an open canvas for you. Most of our large luxury homes are completely moved in already, so you kind of have to look past their decor and make it your own. Our clients here made it perfectly ready for you to do just that. I wanted to show you a nice feature that's flanked off of the pantry. This is a very multifunctional use room. It could be your butler's pantry. When you're having big dinner parties, you can set up prep work in here. Or for those homeschool children or the moms who take care of their children with homeschool, you can create this into your mini classroom or workspace area. There's a lot of functionalities for it. And one thing I love about the space is you still get that incredible view outside from here. So a lot of key features with just this space alone. Let's see the rest of the house. What I love most about this property is the amount of natural sunshine that pours inside from all of the windows, the openings, even this nook area here. You can sit down, read a book, look outside your front courtyard, eagerly waiting your delivery food to arrive. You've got the downstairs coat room here, and then here's the master bath and bedroom downstairs. Really good idea for those of you that have family, that are living with you, in-laws, or even maybe your younger adults that you're trying to help grow their independence. They can have their own separation from the property. Lots of natural sunshine that comes inside. You've got a nice nook area here. You could put a couch, you can put a treadmill, a desk, your television. It has the space. And then of course, it has your own walk-in closet, bathroom, shower. It is perfect. Let's go outside. The moment I know you've been waiting for, you've been dying to go outside and see more of that view. I just want to point out with this big open space, you can do indoor and outdoor living because you have the California room. And it's as simple as just opening up your sliding doors all the way so you can have this incredible living experience. Ta-da! You can't get that with many homes. And I love that this property gives you that access. Your California room has pavers. It's completely tricked out in here with the recessed lighting. You've got the fireplace, and then you've just got this gorgeous opening. Now, a very cool feature for those of you that want to still keep it dark and intimate, you're gonna love this. By a push of a button, you can now have that space. Sunset time, when the sun is pointed on this side of the property, you can create your own blockage from the sun to still enjoy that indoor, outdoor feel. And you just, I mean, this is a perfect setting. And I love that you could do it with the touch of a button, don't you? Isn't this perfect? You literally have two different spaces. You've got beautiful, lush grass out here. I just want you to focus on the serenity too, the peacefulness, the quietness that you have. You've got an outdoor barbecue area here, fit to have all of your events taken care of outside. A nice bar, granite. You've got a gorgeous view from here. And then on this side of the house, you can do your herb garden. You have multiple fruit trees. There's a lot of space over here to continue that going. And then look at this view. It is incredible. You get privacy. You get your own sanctuary back here. If you'd like to put in an infinity pool, you can do that, or you just enjoy the space that you have. I love the fire pit area because it's perfect to have conversation, create memories, or just chill out and enjoy your sunset, because you definitely get a sunset view from this side of the property. Just look with me. It doesn't get any better than that. I trust you enjoyed that amazing tour. Unfortunately, it's come to an end. I wanted to recap with you. 5 amazing bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, over 5,300 square feet of incredible living space. The entry, remember, are you kidding me? The view, Newport Coast, Catalina Island, the Disney fireworks show, you get it all with Sutter Court. The community you live in is sensational. This is the Blackstone community. It was built in 2015. You're in the Avignon track. This is where everyone wants to be. You've got incredible schools. You've got a dog park down the street, hiking trails. The downtown Brea scene is amazing. You've got the Improv, movie theaters. You've got the amazing Taps Fish House and Brewery. You get all of that with this home here. This is why you pay over $2 million for an incredible piece of property and the lifestyle that you get with it. If you'd like to see this home in person, please call me, text me. I would love to show it to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. I got to get ready for our next showing. So until our next great property, I will see you soon. Take care.